Hello friends, welcome to WML tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see the WML elements. WML is defined by a set of elements that specify all markup and structural information for a WML tag. Elements are identified by tags which are each enclosed in a pair of angle brackets. Unlike HTML, WML strictly adheres to the XML hierarchical structure, and thus elements must contain a start tag. Any content such as tags or elements and an end tag. Elements have one of the following two structure: tag, starting tag, and closing tag. For this type of closing tag, this is used when an element cannot contain visible content or is empty, such as a line break. WML document's prologue part does not have any element which has closing element. Following is the list for the valid elements. Here this is the list for deck and card elements. This is for comment, which is same as HTML. This is for WML tag, which defines a WML tag. Then this is head tag for head information, meta tag for meta information, card defines a card in a deck, access tag which defines information about the access control of a deck. Then template, which defines a code template for all the cards in a deck. Then text elements. This is line break tag, paragraph tag, table tag, table cell tag, table row tag. This is for pre-formatted tags. These tags are same as HTML. Next, text formatting tags. B tag for bold text, then big for big text, EM for emphasized text, I for italic text, small tag for small text, strong for strong text, U for underlined text. Image elements. Image is used for define an image. Then anchor elements. A, which defines an anchor to provide link, and anchor tag also. Event elements. Do tag, which defines a do event handler. On event, which defines an on event handler. Post field, which defines a post field event handler. On time, on timer event, which defines on timer event. Then on enter forward, on enter backward, on pick event. Some task events also. Go, which represent the action of switching to a new card. Nope, which says the nothing should be done. This is the tag previous, which represent the action of going back to the previous card. Then refresh tag, which refreshes some specified card variables. Here we have some input elements also. Input tag, which defines an input field, select for selecting any element. Then option, which defines an option in a selectable list. Then field set, which defines a set of input fields. Opt group, which defines an option group in a selected list. Then variable elements. We have setVar, which defines and sets a variable. Then timer, which defines a timer. We will see the example of all these elements in our next tutorials.